in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for East Central San Diego County in southwestern California until 7:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Moderate flooding of Fish Creek will likely occur due to the heavy rains. Motorists and hikers within and downstream of Fish Creek should seek higher ground immediately. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include EAS between Agua Caliente and Cambridge, Ocotillo Wells, Fish Creek Wash, EAS between Shelter Valley and Agua Caliente and Ocotillo Wells vehicular wreck area.
Forensic Files is on HLN on Dish Network. It should come on. It'll probably come on. Well, that was unexpected. So yeah, we heard the sirens go off on my weather radio, and then I was searching for my phone. I was all like, where's my phone? And then I started recording. An episode of Forensic Files is on. Let's turn you down in case the EAS goes up on here.
Yeah, that was loud.
Yeah.
Can we turn that one down?
Yeah. It's got to come on.
You think so?
Yeah, TVs transmit EAS alerts. If not, you're just reporting it. Weather radios transmit EAS first, so that means TV is going to come on soon. You know what? I'll pause and then I'll come back. Well, guys, so far the EAS has not gone off on the TV. Weather radio's caught it though. I have no idea what station I'm connected to right now. I'm in a Motel 6 room right now, so stay tuned for the motel tour. So see you guys. If the TV does come on, I'll try and record it. So see you guys.